All right, good morning, happy homeowners. We are out in downtown Los Angeles off of Wilshire Boulevard, area called Hancock Park. Probably you've heard of Beverly Hills. Well, this is what Beverly Hills wants to be when it grows up. I think the average home around here starts at like 10 million and goes up. But here's a beautiful thing here. We're going to be taking it's a white oak floor, stained really dark, almost black. Which makes the rooms look smaller, and these rooms are huge. What we're going to do is sand it down and take it to almost like a whitewash color, make it look as natural white oak as possible. But let's turn this thing around. Let's see. And take you inside, but house across the street. Beautiful, just absolutely beautiful. We're going to be starting in this one, I guess, formal dining room area, and we're going to kind of do section to section. Out of the way. Starting right now, I got hanging some plastic. But we sanded down an area last week just to show the homeowners what it was going to look like. But here's your super dark brownish floor. And once it's sanded down, and that's what we want. We want that natural look. Now, to get that natural look, we're gonna have to sand it down, and then we gotta stain it white, which once it's stained and dries white, it almost looks like a sheet of snow, and you think, well, I didn't want that. I wanted it to look like raw wood, Brian. So then once you put the finish over the top of it, it will kill the white and bring it back down to the natural look. And hey, people always ask me, hey Brian, do multi-million-dollar homeowners and you work for a lot of celebrities, do they get special treatment? And the answer is no, flat out no. I don't care if it's a $50,000 one-bedroom cabin in Big Bear or $50 million mansion in Beverly Hills. I treat every house as if it was my mom's house. And right now, we got to get in there and get busy. Hey, if you want the book, 9 Secrets to Refinishing Hardwood Floors, leave a message in the comments. If you got any questions, hit us up. We'll help you. We'll walk you through it. Maybe you can do this process by yourself. All right, guys.